If recent headlines about the housing market cooling and buyer demand moderating have you worried that you've missed your chance to sell, here's what you need to know. Buyer demand hasn't disappeared. It's just eased from the peak intensity we saw over the past 2 years. So let's briefly talk about buyer demand then and now. During the pandemic, mortgage rates hit record lows, and that spurred a significant rise in buyer demand. This year, as rates increased and have continued to rise due to factors like rising inflation, buyer demand pulled back or softened as a result, the key to selling in our changing market is understanding where the housing market is now. It's not the same market we had a year or